What's happening, guys? It's Eric 1740 Garage. I'm sorry, guys, I ain't made a video in a couple months. Things have been a little wild around here, but I'm gonna go ahead and give you an update on the projects that's going on. I know you guys probably want to know what's going on with the Civic. I'm waiting on some parts to come for the Civic. I kind of put it on the back burner for right now, but I just wanted to make this video to show you guys what's going on. I got a new couple new things for the shop. I got a new project that we're going to be working on too for the channel. Hope you guys like it, but I'll show you what's going on here in a second. Here it is, guys. Civic's pretty much in the same place I left off. Besides, I did put my I put the Russell steel braided brake hoses on it. Right now I'm kind of waiting. So here's the back. Right now I want to get steel braided, I want to get the extended wheel studs for the front and back, and then I can go ahead and do the brakes and get the brakes all done. I need to get my brake tuck kit for the front. Once I get my brake tuck kit for the front, I still need to put my subframe in, get my lower control arms, and everything like that put on. But once I get my extended wheel studs in, I'm going to get the brakes all done, put my new rotors on. Here's the part number for the steel braided brake lines, hoses if you want them. The Russell, I ordered them off eBay. But I got the rotors, I got the new pads and everything for the car. But I want to get the extended wheel studs, and then I need to get a set of Project Kicks lug nuts, because I don't want to mess my new wheels up. So once I get them items there, I can go ahead and get the suspension all put on, get it done, get it down on the ground, and then it'll be time to put the motor in. Everything's a little bit dirty, but I'll keep you guys updated. Just hang in there with me. I appreciate it. It's been rough now, this whole virus thing going on, and I was off work for a little bit. Just trying to get some funds to get this thing on the roll. But as far as the Civic goes, that's where it sits right now. But as far as the new project for the shop, you could probably see it in the paint, but the new project for the shop is new street bike. This is a 2017 KTM RC 390. It's a smaller CC bike, but I didn't want nothing really big. I just want something I can hop on and have fun with. And this thing definitely is a fun bike. Alright, guys. I'm going to go ahead and do a little test fire here so you can hear what it sounds like stock. Do a start up here. This bike is a single cylinder, so it may sound more like a quad than anything, but needless to say, it's a cool bike. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what I'm going to do here. I don't have a whole lot of memory on my phone to take a real long video, but I'm going to pull this 12 mil here out. I'm going to go ahead and pull this. It is a 6mm. I'm going to pull this 6mm V-band clamp out. And then I got one right here. I got to pop this one off. And then this V-band right here. And then one on the other side. The clamp right here. Pull this one here off. And then pull this one here off. I'll be back when I get this muffler here off. Alright guys, that took a whole like 2 minutes to do. But I got the muffler off of it. Well, looks like I have a hidden bolt down here too. I need to get off. But next we're going to go ahead and pull this canister here off. So I'll be back when I get that off. Alright guys, I got that canister off, and let me tell you, it was a pain in the ass. Yes. Of course, you got that bolt there, which is a 10mm. Then you have one on the other side, same thing. And then you have your 6mm Allen V-band clamp. And then that pipe sets down in here between the frame and the swing arm. But you have a 12mm bolt that goes straight through there, which is right there. And to get this canister out, you have to take the 2 bolts out of the bottom of the fairing, which are right here. You have to hold it down, and then right there is a bracket that holds this fairing onto the bottom of the engine, and it's got a 10mm bolt on both sides. Take that out, slide that bracket down, and then that canister will come straight out the bottom. And right there it sets. And this thing should lighten up the bike a little bit. This thing weighs 324 pounds dry. And this thing here weighs at least 20 pounds. It's got to. And of course the pipe, that's got to weigh a little bit too. If I had a scale, I would go ahead and weigh it, and just to see exactly how much weight I'm dropping by going to this pipe. But next thing I'm going to do is we're going to take this pipe right here off, and I will be back with you in a minute. Alright guys, I got this pipe here off. That took about a whole 2 minutes. So alright, next we're going to go ahead and put our new pipe on. I'll be back in a second. Alright guys, I got the mid pipe on. There's the one bolt up here. Here, and then it's got a tab on it that bolts right there to the previous hole. Right here, and that's the bolt that is supplied with the exhaust. Runs down to the silencer. That's it. I didn't take the baffle out of it. The baffle's still in it. To take the baffle out of these, it's right here up front. So you have to take the silencer off, loosen that bolt, and take it out of this end. But I went ahead and left it in there so I could see how it sounds. I went ahead and put decal in there, delkevic. But let's do a startup and see how it sounds. I think it sounds pretty good. I don't think the silencer needs to come out. I think that's loud enough. But there it is. I'll give you guys another walk around real quick here. Very cool bike. This back piece here is actually a seat. But that's it, guys. That's the new shop bike. There's the exhaust. I'll put up another video. I'm getting a tank protector. It goes right here and then on the sides. I should be getting in a couple days. I want to save that tank. I don't want to scratch it up or anything, so I'll do a little video on that. But as far as that goes with the bike, I'm going to be getting more content on the Civic. Just bear with me, everybody. I'm hoping to get this thing down on the ground here really soon, and I'll be doing my wheel. I'll be doing my wheel reveal. Some people probably already know what they are if you follow me on Instagram. But well, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll get some more content out soon. I hope so. But until next time, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you to everybody who's subscribing. I really appreciate it. I'm going to try to grow this channel, hopefully get it bigger. But till next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.